Welcome to this short video on the new improvements we've made to our Import Spreadsheet tool, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Revit. To demonstrate this tool, I'm going to come up here to the Kobi Toolkit ribbon. We're going to come over here to the Annotate panel, and we're going to select Import Spreadsheet. Now this dialog box comes up. It looks different from the last one. Basically, we're going to click Add, and now it brings up the normal dialog box we had. So I'm going to go Open here. And we're going to go and find this spreadsheet I want. So I'm going to open up this one. And now you can see in here what we have. I'm going to say, let's just bring in all this information down here to row 39. All right. Here you can specify how many rows you want in the schedule we're going to create. So if you're going to drag these onto a plan sheet, you may know that, hey, I can only fit 40 of them or 30 of them in at a time. I'm going to just change this to say 20. All right. So it's 20. I'm going to have one header row here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go save changes. And now it comes back to this dialog box. And so it shows us our schedule here that we're going to be creating, the file that we're using, the worksheet, and then it shows us the range and all this other information. So we're just going to go import and update. And I'll say yes. Now, if I come over here, I'm going to go down into my schedules, and now you're going to see two schedules here. Okay, so if I click on these schedules, okay, there's the first schedule and there's the second schedule. Now, I want to make an update to that spreadsheet, so I'm just going to pull over the spreadsheet here, and let's just say I'm going to change this first one here. I'm going to change the name of this waiting room here. Okay, and I'm going to hit save on this. All right. Now we're going to come back into Revit here, and I'm just going to come back up here to Import Spreadsheet. And now you can see that it shows that it's out of date here. All I have to do is come up here and go Reload Selected, Reload All, or Reload Outdated. So I'll go Reload the Outdated. Okay, so now it's saying it's reloaded, and I go Import and Update. I'll say yes. Now if I jump back over here to find my schedule, if I grab this first one here, you're going to now see it says waiting room. This concludes this short video on the updated features for our import spreadsheet, which is part of Kobi Toolkit for Revit.